press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Same under special kind of questions. The values of a comma b comma c are such that this limiting value exists under finite that is equal to 2. Then what are the values of a comma b comma c? Here already I said in this model we are following this standard formula. What is the standard formula? Or actually it is not the formula, it is the concept. It is the concept. What is the concept? One fraction is there. Of course, f of x, g of x are the polynomials. It is out of question. Or trigonometric functions or exponential functions, whatever it is. That's why simply I am telling that this is the numerator and this will be the denominator. As x tends to a, this fraction is equal to some finite number, just like it is a finite number. If as x tends to a, if the denominator becomes 0, then definitely numerator also becomes 0 as x tends to same limiting point small a. This is the main concept in the limits. Understand? Next, second, already I said the DL hospital rule. When we are getting either 0 by 0, either 0 by 0, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we are applying L hospital rule. Already I said. So therefore, in this special kind of questions, we are using two logics or two concepts, namely this one and L hospital rule. Okay, take the first question. Means this is the function. Given that this is given limit x tends to 0, a e power x minus b cos x plus c into e power minus x divided by x into sin x. The given function is x into sin x. Of course, that is equal to 2. 2 means what? It is a finite value. Finite and exists. Remember. Okay. Next, first step. Put x equal to 0 directly. Okay. So x equal to 0, we don't know about a comma b comma c values. That's why we are using this concept. Means here as x tends to given point 0 comma denominator is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in the denominator. Therefore numerator also equals to 0. Within bracket, as x tends to 0. 0 is the given point. Okay. Therefore take the numerator. This is the numerator. And put x equal to 0. So a e power 0 minus b cos 0 plus c into e power minus 0, that is equal to numerator value equal to 0. Don't write is equal to 2. What I am telling that numerator value is equal to 0 by putting x equal to 0. So that implies e power 0 1. So a minus b cos 0 1 plus e power 0 1 plus c, that is equal to 0. 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now you can verify the options here itself by getting only one equation. So what does it mean? A plus c equal to b. So which option is satisfied? First option is satisfied. A plus c, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Right. Next, second option, a plus c, 0. No, this option is not satisfied by that equation. Next, third option, a plus c equal to b. A plus c equal to b. No, this option is not satisfied. None, it is wrong. So therefore, first option is right. So soon after getting only one equation, we can verify like that. You can ask me one doubt, sir, if more than one option is verified, then what is the next step? It is the very good question. Right. Come here. Okay, first equation is over. Next, later, for the second equation, apply L'Hospital rule. Next stage, apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So, limit, no confusion, limit x tends to 0, a into divide x of e power x minus b into divide x of cos x minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x. Next, c into divide x of e power minus x minus e power minus x whole divided by u into v formula, x into divide x of sin x cos x plus, keep the same sin x, divide x of x 1. Okay, its value is given as a finite value. Write it as finite and exists like that. Okay, next step. Similarly, here as x tends to 0, denominator becoming 0, right? Or you can write approaches to 0 or tending to 0. For mathematical convenience, I wrote like that, denominator equal to 0. Therefore, numerator also equal to 0 as x tends to same point 0, right? Therefore, of course, this is the second stage. So, a into e power 0, 1 plus b into sin 0, 0 minus c into e power 0, 1. It is also equals to 0. So, that implies a plus c, I mean a plus 0 minus c, a minus c is equal to 0. Of course, that implies a equal to c. Let it be equation number 2. You can ask me, sir, how many times we have to do like that? Okay. How many unknown values are there in the question? Only 3 unknown values are there. 3 unknown constants are there. A, B, C. So therefore, we must have 3 equations to solve these 3 unknown values. Already we got 2 equations. Now we have to perform the same procedure in the next step. Third step. Okay. So A equal to C. Next. This is the second stage. Again we are applying L'Hospital rule. So therefore apply here apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. Right. So A into limit x tends to 0, A into e power x differentiation e power x plus b cos x minus into minus plus c into e power minus x. Next, for the denominator, x cos x differentiation, x into divide x of cos x minus sin x plus cos x, keep the same, divide x of x 1. Okay, differentiation of this function is over. Next, this function plus divide x of sin x cos x, divide x of sin x cos x, that equal to 2. It is given, means exist. 2 means it is existence number. Exist and finite. So that implies put x equal to 0 directly. You come here. Put x equal to 0 directly. So therefore a into e power 0 1 plus b into cos 0 1 plus c into e power 0 1 divided by it is 0 0 plus cos 0 1 plus cos 0 1 that is equal to given as 2. So that implies a plus b plus c divided by 2 that is equal to 2. It follows that a plus b plus c is equal to 4 by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, let it be equation number 3. So therefore for 3 unknown values we have 3 simultaneous equations. For example, 4 unknown values are there in the given question. Similarly, by doing the same process, by continuing the same process, you must obtain 4 equations. Okay. How many equations are there? 3 equations are there because 3 unknown values are there. So therefore, for n unknown values, we must obtain n simultaneous equations. Like that. Understand? Right. So therefore, what is the first equation? A minus b plus c that is equal to 0. Equation number 1. What is the second equation? A equal to c. Let it be second equation. Next, what is the third equation? A plus b plus c that is equal to 4. This is question number 3. Please don't go to solve these 3 equations unnecessarily in the examination hall. It is merely waste of time. Then verify the options for 3 equations. So therefore, already we verified the remaining wrong options. Okay, once again verify the first option. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 1. A equal to, so first equation is satisfied. A equal to c, a equal to 1, c equal to 1. Therefore, second equation is satisfied. Adding 3, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, therefore, in the first option, the values a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 1 are satisfied by 3 given equations. This is the very important concept and application. Okay, for homework, I will give the more questions. Don't worry with the answers. Okay, hence the problem. Next, for more practice, I am giving 3 questions for homework. If f of x equal to sin 2x plus capital A sin x plus capital B cos x by x cubed is a continuous function at x equal to 0. Already I said in board syllabus or basics the continuity of the given function. For ordinary function, what is the definition of the continuity of the given function f of x at x equal to a? Limit extends to a, f of x equal to f of a. This is the definition for continuity for the ordinary function. Okay, use it, that definition, and proceed as usually. So in this special section we are using only 2 concepts, either this or that, or simultaneously according to situation. Okay, next 4 options are given. Third option is right. Next, the values of a comma b is such that limit extends to 0 x into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x divided by x cubed, that is equal to 1. 4 options are given. Third option is right. Next, if limit extends to 0, a cos x plus b x sin x minus 5 divided by x to the power of 4 is finite, then a equal to dash. 4 options are given. Right answer is the second option. So it is the single unknown value you can obtain in the first stage or second stage itself. Understand? So do the questions as by taking as a minimum number of steps as possible. Understand? Okay, let us try. Next question. The values of a comma b comma c so that this limit exists and finite, that is equal to, then which option is right? This is the question. Here limit extends to 0, given that limit extends to 0, a x e power x minus b logarithm of 1 plus x plus c into x e power minus x all divided by x square into sin x is equal to 2, means it is exists and finite. So therefore here different kinds of functions are there, means logarithm of 1 plus x sin x. Of course it is well known function e power x e power minus x. Therefore I wish to use the expansions of logarithm of 1 plus x sin x and e power x e power minus x. Then it will become very easy. So therefore apply the expansions. So that is implied limit. First I will write the expansion. Limit extends to 0 a x into e power x. E power x expansion 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cubed by 3 factorial and so on. Just it is enough to write 2 or 3 terms. Next minus b into x minus x square by 2 plus x cubed by 3 minus x to the power of 4, like that, plus cx into bracket begin e power minus x 1 minus x power 1 by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cubed by 3 factorial and so on, whole divided by in the denominator we see that x square into sin x, x square into sin x expansion x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial minus and so on, like that. Okay. Here in the first term x is common. Here also we can take x common. Here also already x is common. Therefore in total numerator we can take x common factor and we can take already x square is there. We can write x into x, something like that. Understand? So therefore cancel x in the numerator and denominator. So of course it is the given finite value is 2. It is the finite value. So that implies I will take the direct step. So x cancel a into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus and so on. Next minus b into x common cancel means it remains 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus and so on. Next x already cancelled, c into 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, whole divided by, it is the numerator. Next we are writing the denominator x. X means when x cancelled, x into, it remains x into x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus and so on, like that. Okay, there itself let us multiply x into x square. Next it will become x to the power of 4, like that. Okay. So the minimum degree is 2 here, x square, next x to the power of 4, later x power 6, next term is x to the power of 6, from this divided by 5 factorial minus and so on will be like that. Okay, so that is equal to 2. 2 means what? Exist and finite. Exist and finite. Remember these two words, exist and finite. So for the limit existency and for no loss of generality, first we should make constant term equal to 0, comma, x quotient equal to 0 and x square quotient in numerator divided by x square quotient in denominator, that is equal to given limit value. So the constant term here we are getting here a into 1 a minus b into 1 minus b, c into 1 c. We are getting the constants a minus b plus c, that is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, next, second, quotient of x is 0 in numerator. So quotient of x means here a, next minus into minus plus b by 2, next minus c, that is equal to 0. So that implies 2a plus b minus 2c, that equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Next, third equation, x square quotient in numerator, x square quotient a by 2 factorial means a by 2, next x square quotient minus b by 3 minus b by 3 minus b by 3, next x square quotient c by 2 plus c by 2 plus c by 2, x square quotient in numerator divided by x square quotient in denominator. X square quotient in denominator is equal to 1. So that is equal to given limit point means 2, that is equal to 2. So therefore on simplification a so I am taking LCM 6, then it is 3a minus 2b next 3c, that is equal to 12. So that implies 3a minus 2b plus 3c, that is equal to 12. This is equation number 3. So therefore we don't know the 3 unknown values a comma b comma c, for which we are having 3 simultaneous equations. Now we need not to solve 3 equations for a comma b comma c. It is enough to verify the options for 3 equations. Let us verify. Come to first option. A equal to 3, it is given as b equal to 12 and c equal to 9. So therefore a equal to 3 minus 12 plus 9. Okay, this equation is verified. Second equation, 2a means 6. Next plus b means 12 minus 2c 18. So therefore it is also satisfied. Next 3a means 9 minus 2b means 24. Next plus 3c 27. 27. It is 36 minus 24. It is 12. So therefore, three equations are satisfied for first option. You come here. So therefore, we need not to verify the other options because they are unique numbers. Only first option is verified. Hence the problem. This kind of question, especially this question is very, very important. It is higher level thinking. Remember, e power x, e power minus x, log of 1 plus x and sin x. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different kinds of functions are involved in this question. That's why I took the expansions. So it is better to by heart all expansions. Understand? So this problem done by using the expansions. Hence the question. Limit extends to 0. E power x cubed minus 1 minus x cubed by sin to the power of 6 of 2x. Okay. Put as usually according to the method procedure, we should put x equal to 0 directly in the first stage for every problem. Then it is becoming 0 by 0. Now we have to apply the L hospital rule. Okay. But in the L hospital rule, for the denominator, we have to differentiate 6 times. Therefore, it is too difficult to find the solution in time or in the examination hall. Therefore, we are going through the expansions. Understand? Okay. So, therefore, that is equal to, first, I will do like that. Limit extends to 0. E power x cubed minus 1 minus x cubed. Whenever L hospital rule is tough to perform or it is too difficult to perform L hospital rule in time, then we have to select other method using expansions or by using standard results. Remember this point in the limits. So it is 1 divided by sin to the power of 2x 6 means I am doing like that. 2x whole to the power of 6 means sin to the power of 6 2x. Okay. Extra we divided by 2x whole to the power of 6. So for no loss of generality, write here 2x whole power 6. So therefore dividing and multiplying with 2x whole power 6. Okay. So therefore next here we can write as x tends to 0 means that we can write limit 2x also tends to 0 because x tends to 0 and 2x tends to 0 will use the same meaning. That's why we can write it as 2x tends to 0. Of course, the standard formula is limit theta tends to 0 sin theta divided by theta equals to 1. So therefore, clearly this value is equal to 1. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0. Here I am using the expansions. You come here. You come here. What is e power x expansion? Tell me. E power x expansion. E power x equal to 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cubed by 3 factorial plus and so on like that. Next, similarly we can write it as e power x cube. E power x cube means what? Instead of x, okay, 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, instead of x we are writing x cubed. It is x cubed plus this one by 2 factorial x cubed whole square. Square common, just instead of x we are writing x cubed. Here also instead of x we are writing x cubed whole cubed divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. So that is equal to 1 plus x cubed plus x to the power of 6 by 2 factorial plus x to the power of 9 by 3 factorial plus and so on like that. Now I will substitute the series. So it is a 1 plus x cubed plus x to the power of 6 by 2 factorial means 2 plus x to the power of 9 by 3 factorial means 6. Next plus and so on. It is an infinite series. Okay, it is over. Next minus 1. So minus 1. Next minus x cube whole divided by 2 power 6 into x power 6 into 1 divided by 1 power 6. So therefore that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, again x cubed cancel. Remember, in the numerator x power 6 is there, in the denominator x power 6 is there. So therefore first I will take the constants 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 into this one 1 by 2 power 6 and limit x tends to 0. So it is what? X power 6 cancel 1. Okay, next plus 1 minute. It is 1 by 2 power 6 into limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0. It is already outside. X power 6 cancel. It is simply 1 by 2 plus x power 6 cancel means x cubed by 6 plus and so on, just like that, into this value is 1, and limit x tends to 0 means 1 by 2 power 6 into x 0. By putting x equal to 0, from here we are continuously getting 0 cubed, 0 by 6, 0. Next term is what? X cubed whole to the power of 4, like that. So there is also x. By putting x equal to 0, it terms becomes 0. Hence 0 by putting x equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, like that. So it remains only 1 by 2 power 6, 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 power 7. 1 by 2 power 7 means 32, 64, 128. So that is equal to 1 divided by here 2 power 5, 32. Next another 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So 64 into 2, that is equal to 128. So the answer is 1 by 128. So therefore now its answer is 1 by 128. Hence the problem.